Hey everybody, and welcome to the inaugural Investing Blueprint Show. It's taken years and years of planning. I want to welcome PJ. We're having fun. Always having fun. So pilot episode. Just want to give you guys a few quick bullets. This show will aim to get it out once a month. We're talking about anything investing related. We don't discriminate between crypto. If you like stocks, if you like Forex, if you like commodities, if you like options, if you like bonds, whatever. I mean, I'm not a big bonds fan, but if you are, this show is still for you. We have guests that we're planning to bring on each show as well. And I'm going to kick it over to PJ to let you know a little bit about what the show is really about.
What's going on, everybody? Mandela and I decided to create this show so that we could help share and build a community with investing. So our aim is to just talk about investing, crypto. Crypto is one of my favorite new assets that I'm completely obsessed with. But yeah, we just want to help at least once a month for a start to try to just build the discussion. Not too many people, they hear about it, they hear the negative, and they want to shy away. And we were just trying to sort of bridge that gap to show you that, it's not necessarily all doom and gloom, and it could be beneficial to you and your family.
Please remember that nothing that is said during this show is financial advice. You are responsible for your own investing decisions. This show is brought to you by Signature FX. Just from your perspective, what is the hot thing right now that's moving the investments you're watching?
I personally believe that we might see a bit of a climb towards the all-time high, or if not, we're going back to the previous support, back towards possibly 20,000. So it's going to be, everybody's got their eyes on that monthly candle to see which way it closes. I'm not too confident that it's going to be, over and done with soon. But yeah, this end of this year, the remaining of this year is going to be very interesting. And I know a lot of traders have got cash on the sidelines ready to make a decision.
Yeah.
What about yourself?
Right. I think you're right. I think for me, it seems like there was a huge draw into trading during the pandemic, and you had people who had never even thought about trading. Now, all of a sudden, they're looking at Ethereum every day, and they're stuck on XRP. And I know you and Andrew have this relationship, very complicated relationship with XRP.
Bittersweet.
And so I'm like walking down the street, I'm overhearing people talking about trading accounts and Bitcoin and whatever else. So there seems to be the most amount of attention on crypto and trading because people have been working from home. I speak to people all the time and they're like, look, I love working from home. I could day trade. I could buy GameStop. I could buy AMC.
Right. And then Reddit feeds. Crazy. And I'm making the decisions based off of a Reddit post.
Yeah. So
with no sort of prior trading experience or technical analysis skill set.
Many people who just started trading during the pandemic have no concept of the Federal Reserve, what it is, what it does, what rising interest rates will mean for their investments. But we'll be covering that in subsequent episodes. In the meantime, we have Andrew, who's backstage now. He's just gotten off the private jet. Let's bring him on. Andrew, welcome. Welcome to the first pilot.
Yes, welcome.
Great intro, guys. Brilliant. Fair play to you too. Some real good advice already within the first few minutes. Yeah, private jet. I was just topping up a fuel for someone. But I hear you guys definitely. I think people now. I think the pandemic's definitely made people wake up. That you can work from home and you can work from home successfully. Being that with with your employer, your 9 to 5, or whether it's through through trading, cryptos, Forex, or even other drop shipping. There's many means of making money online. I think people are starting to wake up to that now. So, guys, just listening to what you're saying, and word on the street is people are talking about Bitcoin and cryptos, and I'm sure Mandela's got something to add into the video where I just had delivery from Amazon, and if you want to add the clip in. What I would do is I would draw the. Amazon's just turned up. Sorry, guys. Right.
That happens, I
buddy,
guess.
Right? Yeah. You just grab this. Yeah. No, you're live on YouTube, mate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, nice one. Thanks so much. Thanks, Amazon. Cheers, buddy. Ta-ra. Yeah, so the guy turns up and he just drops off my parcel, and I just has a bit of jest with him saying, "Oh, you're live on YouTube." Jumps back in his van, drives off, comes back 2 minutes later and says, "Are you talking about Bitcoin? I'll be back. I'll come to see you." Yeah. So yeah, for me, I think it's going to be Elon Musk. So after Anonymous, went after him and released that video, he's been quite quiet on Twitter, hasn't he? He's posting a lot about SpaceX and Tesla, but he's not giving a large about crypto. Yeah. I thought Elon was bigger in that mind. Didn't think he'd back down. He's taken one or two little swipes at them, but nothing major. So what do you guys think about that? I got his Twitter up in front of me, and he's definitely backed off, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think it's same sort of deal. I think he's realized the fact that he can actually make a huge difference in Bitcoin, and I think he's going with the let me not say anything until I got my ducks in a row. But you never know with somebody like that. He doesn't really need Bitcoin to be successful.
I just find it always convenient that all these tweets seem to come at a pivot point where the market could go up or down. But, if that sort of star power influence, you see it catastrophically either dip or spike. So, yeah, I just thought, when he says something, let's look at, either key Fibonacci levels or stuff like that. I'm sure we'll be hearing a lot more from him.
But do you think Anonymous got to him at all? Do you think he's stopped tweeting as much because of a threat?
You know what? I didn't even consider that, and I heard a comment about that. But that would be interesting, to see the two sort of influences in the internet.
So have a look on the date when the threat was made or the retaliation was going to be made, and have a look then. His tweets correlated. You don't see it as much. He's definitely made me very, very cautious when it comes to trading. So, also makes you doubt yourself. Sometimes doubt what you're doing. Doubt your own technical analysis. So, it's an interesting time for us.
Yeah, it is.
I felt guilty with that last statement of yours. A bit of too much trading. Over trading. And I had a game plan in the beginning, and all these other external factors, whether it be Elon Musk tweets or someone else, a big influencer, pumping whatever coin, it makes you feel like you firm back in, right? So yeah, that was a great point about kind of blocking out that noise of these influencers.
Thanks, Andrew, for taking the time out today, stopping by. Anything else you wanted to add before we wrap up the show?
No, nothing, guys. Just been great to be here with you again. I really enjoyed myself. Welcome, PJ. It's been a pleasure to have you. It's been great. Really enjoyed myself. And thanks, guys. And I'll speak to you in the week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care, mate. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Andrew. Thank you very much. I wanted to ask you if you wanted to have a little side bet. Andrew wasn't too enthusiastic about it, but I was hoping that maybe I could get you to take one. So if we just have a quick, do you mind if we just have a quick look at the chart real quick?
Sure.
Here we go. So I'm looking at price of Bitcoin right now. 35,800, right? So
35,000.
35,800, I believe, is the current price. Yeah, 35,800.
Which exchange are you looking on? We want to get technical.
This is Coinbase. You got to get technical. So this is all on Coinbase. So we'll go off of Coinbase, which is recently, not too long ago, IPO'd. If you're happy with that, I'm doing Bitcoin US dollar. So between now and Saturday, if Bitcoin touches 31K, you win. If it doesn't touch 31K, I win. Deal?
Deal. All right, family. Until next time, see you next week.